Hello, hello. Let's see, are we live? Yeah, I think we are. Atanaga, do you still here or did you left? You were a few minutes earlier. If you're here, don't forget to let me know in the chat. Today we're going to talk about a new version available, how to update it, and everything related to it. We're starting in 3 minutes. We'll start in 3 more minutes, okay? If you're here, do not forget to type in the chat. One more minute and we will get started. Okay, guys. Amin is here or no? I think not. Okay, let's get this started, guys. Today, I wanted to talk to you and inform you that there's a new version on all of your products. So, what what that means is that you have to update your apps and build your website one more time. Okay? Why? You have to do that in order to get the latest improvements on all of your ordering products, and also maybe some bug fixes or everything related to what we have experienced from the last version of our apps and website to the newest, which is going to be, which is already there in your builder. I will explain you how you know that there's a new version. I mean, I will be giving these kind of conferences of lessons as soon as I know there is a new version released for you to be up to date on all of your products. It's very important to be up to date in order to everything to work smoothly. Okay, so let me share my screen. The first thing that you have to do is log in your builder, just like this. And then if you, I will open the four products I have here on my account, this. And when I get into build, this is the latest version. But when you get, let me see if I can get it on my build apps. It'll look something like this, guys. New version available, okay? This means that there were a few changes or we added a few modifications in your apps and on all of your products. What is the thing with the release? We are going to be creating documents letting you know what has been fixed. So you understand everything related to the latest release that you have. For example, this is your Dream app, and as you can see, it's only for iOS, the changes. Let's see the business app. There is no change in the business app. And let's see the delivery app. There is no changes either on this one. So as you can see, we have a new version available on the ordering app and on the website, but I already updated this, so my bad. If you don't remember how to update your versions of your website, I will explain you really quickly. Also remember that you have all the links, all the documentation in our support guide, which is this one. Also, when you get in, you can see a new video where we quickly explain you how this works. Okay, so I will put update version on App Store, Play Store. You have all the guides here. Mm, and also you here have how to upload your apps so you don't like waste a lot of time waiting for someone in ordering to help you. I mean, you can do it yourself. Actually, if you haven't on all of our packages, we have the services for ordering to upload your apps. There are a few packages that does not have them for free. However, you can purchase those. Okay, make this bigger. Close. As you can see here, app upload services. This service is optional. If you want it, uh, it has a price of 49, as you can see there, and 99 is the listing. In Platinum, you have it included, so that's very cool. You save a few bucks here. However, if do we put this as optional because you can do it yourself, right? We have all the guides, we have lessons in Northern University, we have everything ready for you to make it happen. So so you don't waste more money and you keep using your package. Okay, now let me explain you really quickly. To upgrade the version of your website, you will have to go here in version. Let me make this bigger. Go here in version. Then it was a 80, 88. If you just have a few changes, I recommend you to just change the third to the last two decimals. However, if it is a big change, like right now that you have a lot of bug fixes in your website, I recommend you to change the two digits in the middle. Okay, to always higher. I always go higher. Okay, so now we have updated that. Let's go and build website. Now you have to click update website staging. Here's one more thing. Whenever there's a new release, we always recommend you to test your apps before either you upload them in the store or you just want to see the website. When you get your domain plugged in the settings of your website, you will see here another button saying update production website. Okay, so first I recommend you to click the staging website for you to test the latest release that we have created, and then you create the production website. That way, you are making sure that everything works well. Okay, so I will click here, update website staging. It'll take just a few minutes. Remember, if you have any questions, type it in the chat, and I'll be happy to answer them. Let's just wait a few minutes, and we should get the new version. Okay. Okay, this is done. As you can see here, it will say the latest version, the one that you have. One more thing, this doesn't have to match with the base version. This is because you might do a lot of changes like in your background images or something like that, and you want to upgrade the version every time. Don't worry about it. If this doesn't match, it's okay. It's okay, but it has to be always higher than the base version is okay if it is higher. Just focus on this one, okay? On the one that you have. When you're getting installed, it's going to say like uh, the base version, but from the time you start working on your website and changing things, adding some plugins or anything, this will get higher. So you don't worry about it. Now we have the latest version. Here is, as you can see, I didn't change anything. The changes in this release are in the background, are fixes. And now let's go into the apps. Okay, I will explain you how to update your apps. You have to go in settings, then click here the latest version, then update, successfully saved. Now we have to get in the build apps. Then here is the same. I recommend you to first click on the test buttons in order to see the changes and test them in your devices. As you can see, the store button is gone here in iOS. This happened because there was an issue with that button regarding the policies of Apple. So we have to exclude it for now, but we're going to do the proper changes and then put it back very soon. Okay. When you get everything this set up, I recommend you to test. Then click store and upload it. If you haven't set up this, you can build the Pro, download the release version of both apps, and then upload it in the stores just like the normal process. Uh, Here you have all the guides. I will put them in the description. Those are in the description of the video. Make sure to take a look at them so you understand how this works. Remember, you have to, for your apps, you have to get in the release management, then click app releases, and here you drop the new APK. This is for Android. When you drop it, it'll say there is a new version. If you get any warnings here, just read what it's saying. For example, if it is saying that the version of the APK that you're uploading at the moment, um, it's already being used. You have to go in your builder, upgrade the version of the app, just like I show you, and then submit it again. Okay. After that, you will click start rollout, and the process will be normal. Okay. Now for App Store, the process is very similar. However, you upload this with your application code with Xcode. Okay. When you update this with the application loader, you will have to get here and then get the build in your iTunes Connect account and select the new version and submit it for review. That's it. That is it. After the stores view the apps and review them, they will accept it and everything will just go. They will just enable it. Okay, they will just put it for sale. Okay, inside the guides you can see the classes that we have, and this one. That's it. I will attach all of the guides in the description of the title. That's it, guys. I just wanted to take this time to 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 tell you that there's a new version. I recommend you to upgrade your apps and your website. Okay. I don't know if you have any questions. Please, now is the time. If it is not related to today's topic, don't worry. I'll be happy to help. I will give you three minutes for Q&A. Okay, guys. Let me know. Now is your time. This was a very short lesson. Think there are no questions. Tulani, hello, hey there. And I can by the version, by the new version that we have to update. What do you mean? So I think every 2 or 3 weeks, in ordering, we create improvements or new features or new layouts or new stuff, right? Or fixes even. So whenever we launch a release, it's in order for your products to get that new things that we just created for you. For example, on iPhone, whenever you get a new version, you get some improvements on your phone. It's basically the same, the same idea. That is what the new versions are for. So if you have a new version available, I recommend you to upgrade your versions of your website and apps. And you are not too late. Don't worry about it. Thank you for being here. In the video you will see, this video will get uploaded in the YouTube channel so you can see it later on. And in the description you will see all the guides. Okay. If there's any questions, do not forget that you can send me an email at mauricio@ording.co. If I'm not the right person to answer your questions, I will channel you to the one who will. That's for sure. Yeah, Tulani, you're welcome. Any other questions that we might have today, or can we wrap today's lesson up? Please let me know. I'll give you 1 more minute. This was a very short lesson. Hopefully tomorrow we get some more people. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these classes. Okay? Okay, well guys, I think that's going to be it for today's lesson. Um, yeah. Okay, I was looking something in the chat. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Same channel, same time, same guy, me. See you tomorrow. I'll be happy to keep on helping you the way I can. Okay, have a great day. Be safe. Ciao. This video will get uploaded in YouTube so you can see it anytime. Okay, bye bye.